Penny pinchers fear losing it all. Givers can't say no. Skeptics believe they don't deserve wealth. Which money personality is secretly destroying your financial future right now? Because here's what nobody tells you. Hey, welcome back to lIHITRO Bank. My name is Adam. Your money problems aren't really about money. They're about the unconscious scripts running in your head since childhood. And until you fix those scripts, no amount of budgeting or investing advice will work. CNBC just broke down the 6 money personalities that control how people handle wealth. The giver, trailblazer, skeptic, penny pincher, avoider, and social status seeker. These aren't just cute labels. They're psychological patterns formed in childhood that are either building your wealth or quietly sabotaging it. Let me show you which one you are and how it's affecting your bank account. The penny pincher sounds smart on paper. Disciplined savers. Track every expense. Never waste money. But here's the trap. They're so terrified of losing money that they miss every growth opportunity. Stock market? Too risky. Real estate? What if it crashes? High-yield savings? Still feels dangerous. They hoard cash earning 0.5%, while inflation steals their purchasing power. 20 years later, they're still broke because they were too scared to invest. Fear disguised as discipline. Then there's the skeptic. These people genuinely believe that money equals corruption. Rich people are greedy. Wealth is evil. Wanting financial success makes you selfish. So what happens? They unconsciously sabotage every opportunity to build wealth. Get a raise? Immediately spend it or give it away because deep down they don't think they deserve it. Stay in low-paying jobs because higher income feels morally wrong. This script literally punishes them for wanting financial security, and they have no idea it's happening. The avoider would rather do anything than think about money. Bills pile up, bank accounts ignored, investment statements unopened. They're overwhelmed, so they shut down completely. The more they avoid, the worse it gets. The worse it gets, the more they avoid. It's a death spiral. 10 minutes per week reviewing finances feels impossible because the anxiety is crushing. Meanwhile, debt grows and opportunities vanish while they pretend everything's fine. The social status seeker ties their entire self-worth to their net worth. Designer clothes, luxury cars, keeping up appearances. They'll go into massive debt just to look successful. Instagram perfect life, funded by credit cards maxed out. They earn 6 figures but have negative net worth because every dollar goes to proving something to people who don't care. Their identity is wrapped up in what they own instead of what they've built. The giver can't say no. Someone needs money? Here you go. Friend wants to borrow cash? Take it. Family needs help? Whatever you need. Sounds generous until you realize they have nothing saved for themselves. Retirement account empty. Emergency fund zero. But they keep giving because saying no feels selfish. This isn't kindness. It's financial self-destruction dressed up as helping others. The trailblazer is great at creating wealth, but terrible at managing it. Entrepreneurs. Risk takers. They can build million-dollar businesses, then lose it all because they don't know how to preserve what they built. Making money is exciting. Managing it is boring. So they chase the next big thing while their current success crumbles. They need to learn delegation before they burn everything down. Here's what the ultra-wealthy understand that broke people don't. Financial psychology comes before investment strategy. You can have the best financial plan in the world, but if your unconscious money scripts are working against you, you'll sabotage yourself every time. Wealthy people identify their scripts, acknowledge where they came from, and actively reprogram limiting beliefs. That's step 1. Not picking stocks. Not choosing real estate. Fixing your head first. These scripts were formed in childhood. Watching your parents fight about money. Growing up poor or growing up rich. Seeing wealthy people in your community. Hearing what adults said about money. Religious teachings. Cultural beliefs. All of it got programmed into your brain between ages 0 and 10. And now those unconscious beliefs are controlling your financial decisions as an adult without you even knowing it. The good news? You can rewrite these scripts. First step is identifying which personality you are. Take the client's money script inventory. Answer honestly. See your patterns. Second step is tracing where it came from. What did your parents teach you about money? What financial moments shape your beliefs? Third step is choosing new scripts that serve you. Money isn't evil. Investing isn't gambling. Wealth doesn't make you greedy. You deserve financial security. Write these down. Repeat them. Replace the old programming. Financial anxiety isn't about math. It's about psychology. You can't budget your way out of unconscious beliefs that money is bad. You can't invest your way past a script that says you don't deserve wealth. The numbers don't matter if your brain is programmed to fail. Fix the psychology first. Then the financial strategies actually work. If this just made you realize your money personality is holding you back, smash that subscribe button right now. Next week, I'm breaking down how to reprogram these scripts and actually build wealth. You won't want to miss it. Subscribe now and let's fix your financial psychology together. Let's go.